worst tornado thing we ever had. I saw dirty everything.
And the first time we see a tomato, but we still in a tomato situation.
Wait, where's the big one? Did we do the big one?
I don't know. It's good.
Guys,
Whoa.
it's back! It's back!
Guys, I'm stuck in a tomato. No, where is he?
He got stuck in the tornado?
Yeah, he got stuck in the tomato.
That tornado is big.
Yeah. Wait, guys, I got stuck in the tomato.
No!
Oh no,
No.
the baby's dead too.
Wait, we gotta get out of here.
Guys, can we go in the basement? No, sadly not.
How?
We got to. You know what? Y'all stay out here, get stuck in the tomato with me. Sorry.
No, we get stuck in. No!
Uh-oh. Got stuck in. It's so creepy out here.
Guys, what's this basement for?
I don't know. It's been here for about years.
Well, nobody hasn't been down here for years, bro.
Yeah.